welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And I know that in the past we have already covered the Crafters Workshop stencils, but I don't really think that you guys are understanding me at like how completely cool this is. And the other great part is that we've greatly expanded our assortment of the various stencils that we have. But I can't convey to you how much I love these things. They're so cool. And I think the purpose of this 2-minute art tip is to kind of encourage you to look at the patterns that we have available in kind of almost a non-literal way. Because granted, you know, like I've got several of them at home, and like this is the dots one and I used it a bunch and all that kind of stuff, but some of the new ones that we have are really kind of organic and fascinating and kind of new. So we have like this kind of open cell shape that can be rocks and tree forms and all kinds of different organic matter, or you know, you can just use this just to add texture and interest and like a little bit of visual diversity into what you're doing. You know, all of these stencils can be used for traditional stenciling applications, but it can also be used for scrubbing out, which is really fun. You can use these with an eraser and then create all kinds of interesting stuff within your drawing. So like even this one, you know, I like this one because I think it kind of looks like dappled light on the ground under a tree. So you can actually like scrub out with this thing and create all kinds of cool pattern. And then we have many new additions to the lineup that have all kinds of different varied pattern that you can use for all kinds of fun stuff. And so I really want to encourage you to take a look at the workshop, Crafters Workshop stencils. They are fantastic and they're just like $6, and you don't understand. We're talking about like making your life easier and the process so much smoother. Having this in your library of like go-to fun things that you just kind of pull out and add some dimension to what you're doing, it is so cool. They wash up easy, they're fun to use, you can do so many different things with them. $6, people, you're missing out. You gotta try it. So take a look at some stencils. They are so much fun. We know that you'll enjoy.